Hi, and welcome to today's video. If you're using the Threads app on your Android phone and want to review the list of profiles you've muted, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through how to find and manage your muted accounts easily in Threads. Open the Threads app on your Android phone. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then tap the two horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the Settings menu. From the menu, scroll down and select Content Preferences. Now tap on Muted. This section shows you all the profiles you've muted on Threads. To unmute a profile, simply tap the Unmute button next to the user's name. That user's posts will start appearing again in your feed. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more Threads and social media tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.